Begin by disconnecting the ground cable to the battery and then raising the headlights by removing the cover on the headlight motor on the front right side of the vehicle and hand cranking the lights up to the up position, red arrow. You're going to be removing the top body panel between the headlights, red arrow. If you're worried about damaging the paint, tape around the area before you begin, yellow arrows. There are 4 Phillips head screws along the top of the panel. Remove these, red arrows 2 shown. With the headlights up, reach into the lower section between the headlight and the panel and gently pull back towards the headlight and up on the rubber trim piece, red arrows. Use an 8mm socket and remove the bolt connecting the panel to the fender from inside the headlight area, yellow arrow. Place some painter's tape around the panel and use an 8mm socket to remove the 2 nuts and washers in each headlight area, red arrows. There is a 7mm self-tapping screw located inside the headlight area. Use a long extension and a 7mm socket, red arrow, that will reach approximately 4 inches into the area to remove the screw, yellow arrow under the area shown. With everything free, you can slide the panel off the front of the vehicle, red arrows. You are going to be placing the panel paint side down, so cover your workspace with some blankets or clean cardboard, red arrow. The hood crest is affixed to the rear of the panel by 2 studs, yellow arrows. If your hood crest has already been replaced, you will find 2 jam nuts on the studs. If it is the original crest from the factory, it will be sealed to the panel. Use a Dremel and very carefully cut the studs off close to the panel, but do not cut the panel, red arrows. There is nothing as nice looking as a new crest. Again, you're going to be working with this face side down, so put some masking tape on the face to protect it. Just don't go all the way to the edges to make removal easier. If you're going to all the trouble to replace the crest, you should replace the seal as well. This photo shows what you will need: a new crest, 2 jam nuts, and a new seal. Install the seal to the back of the crest. If the seal is a little small for the crest, try putting it in warm water before installing it to help stretch it and get it over the edges of the crest, red arrow. With the seal and the crest in place, place it through the holes in the panel and install the jam nuts. The jam nuts will have a sticky weatherproofing material on them and in them, red arrows. This material helps hold the crest in place and eliminates the vibrations that will work it loose. These nuts do not need to be torqued down tight. Just make them snug and you will be good. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.